Wake up every day feeling inspired. Built in 1915, this vintage Dutch colonial sits on nearly 3.5 wooded acres of subtle natural beauty. With almost 2,000 square feet of living space, you'll find plenty of allure indoors as well. The entry's nostalgic original doors open to warm hardwood floors which run throughout the home. Step left into the spacious front-to-back living room centered around a white brick fireplace for an inviting focal point. On breezy summer nights, invite guests via dual walkout access into the lovely screened porch with an eye-catching accent from the exposed stone chimney. A perfect blend of indoor and outdoor living, it also opens out to an expansive backyard, partially cleared for recreation and gardening, but retaining all of the splendor of the surrounding woods. To the right of the entry hall, the formal dining room sets a wonderfully expectant atmosphere with its delicate tin ceiling and unique built-in hutch. You'll be enticed to do plenty of hosting in the renovated gourmet kitchen featuring silestone quartz counters and updated appliances for a contemporary flourish. The adjacent refurbished pantry, with its superb custom cabinetry and ample counter space, lets you spread out for household tasks and flawless party staging as you follow the stairs up to the second story. 3 comfortable bedrooms sharing a full bath provide restful retreats for growing families, with enough versatility to serve as a home office or guest quarters. An optional 4th bedroom currently houses the convenient laundry. The home also benefits from a whole house generator, maximizing the feeling of security and utter coziness you'll enjoy on this special countryside property. Active residents of Richmond can easily access the town's Beaver River Golf Club and Pinecrest Country Club, as well as family favorites such as the Beaver River Park and Playground and the Carolina Management Area walking trails. Discover year-round excitement at the nearby Yawgoo Valley Ski Area and Water Park in Exeter. A 5-minute ride takes you to Interstate 95, and a 20-minute drive delivers you to the fabulous beaches of Westerly or to TF Green Airport. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Jonathan Daly LaBelle at area code 401-741-3820.